adventurers! Today we're exploring a hidden gem in downtown Salt Lake City, Ensign Peak. This quick and easy hike packs all the views of Salt Lake Valley, and it's packed with history too. So grab your hiking shoes, some water, and maybe a snack, and let's head up there and check it out. Ensign Peak is just a mile round trip, making it perfect for beginners, families, or anyone looking for a quick outdoor escape. The trail starts here at the Ensign Peak trailhead, just north of the state capitol. It's a steady incline, but nothing too intense. You'll only gain about 400 feet of elevation. Oh, I forgot how many stairs there were. My heart rate's already at 160. And we've only gone 89 feet. Oh. The path is rocky in spots, so sturdy shoes are a good idea. And since there's not much shade, sunscreen and a hat are your best friend. There are some steep sections on the trail, so make sure to take your time, catch your breath, drink some water, and enjoy some of the rocky spots where you can sit and overlook the city. Remember, you're just taking in the views. You're not heavy breathing, right? Oh, and if you're looking to up your hiking game in 2025, check out the Timpanogos Hiking Co. 2025 Hiking Challenge. It's an awesome way to stay motivated, explore new trails, and you even get free stuff like these really cool summit badges. Ensign Peak is the perfect way to kick off your hiking challenge. Short, steep, beautiful views. What's better? So grab your gear, log your miles, and earn your badges. The rules are simple. First, take a picture at the location. Second, tag Timpanogos Hiking. And then 3, go pick up your badge in the store. Let's go. Ensign Peak isn't just about the views. It also has some serious history here. In 1847, Brigham Young and the pioneers climbed here to survey the valley. Rumor has it, Brigham stood right here and said, "One day, people are gonna film TikToks from this exact spot." Okay, maybe not, but it's fun to think about. The final ascent to the peak gives you fantastic views of the Great Salt Lake and Antelope Island. On a clear day, you can even see Stansbury Island. In this final push, it is a little bit steep, so make sure to take your time, take some breaks, and take in all the views along the way, because it's absolutely gorgeous up here. Ensign Peak is historically significant from the establishment of Salt Lake City. As the story goes, Brigham Young had been praying about where to take the Latter-day Saints and had a vision of Joseph Smith. Joseph Smith showed Brigham Young Ensign Peak and told him this is where that they should settle. In 1934, this monument was built to honor the early pioneer settlers who came to Salt Lake City. Ensign Peak rises 1,000 feet above the valley floor, making it visible from most places within the Salt Lake City area. Additional park signage was created in 1996 to help provide more historical context for the area. So a few quick tips before you come. 1, there's limited parking at the trailhead, so carpooling is a must. Number 2, the trail can get icy in the winter and dusty in the summer, so make sure to check the trail conditions before you come. And number 3, lastly, always leave no trace. Pack out what you bring in. Keep this spot beautiful for everybody to enjoy. Pro tip, bring a camera or your phone. You'll want to capture this. Trust me, your Instagram feed will thank you. All right, so that's Ensign Peak. Ensign Peak is the perfect adventure for a short hike with big scenic views and a cool history lesson along the way. Thanks for coming along. If you enjoyed this adventure, hope you'll like, subscribe, and follow along for more content just like this. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite hiking spot in Utah? Until next time, we will see you. You're supposed to say see you on the trails. Oh. So until next time. See you on the trail. So until next time, see you on the trail. So until next time, see you on the trail. What goes up must come down. Name that artist.
Ram Jam, Black Betty.
I don't even know if that's right. Somebody's gonna film a TikTok here. They also said skibbity toilet. Ice in the veins. I'm just kidding, but wouldn't it be something? Lastly, avoid children at all costs.